Have you ever encountered these situations? Your iPhone doesn't ring when the call comes in and you miss an important call, your alarm clock doesn't work and you're late for work, or you suddenly have no sound when you're watching a movie or listening to a song? Don't worry, these 9 solutions will help you say goodbye to the silent iPhone. Let's dive in. 1. Fix iPhone no sound with simple clicks. Here's an effective tool we're going to use, AnyFix. You can solve the problem with just a few clicks. It not only boosts your chances of success but also ensures no data loss. Moreover, it can fix over 150 iOS system issues, like a disabled screen, boot loop, and more. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the latest version of AnyFix and run it on your computer. Step 2. Connect your phone to the computer using a USB cable. In the pop-up window, select the System Repair option. Step 3. Choose Device Bug and click Start Now to proceed. You'll notice there are 3 modes available to fix the problem. To resolve the iPhone no sound issue without data loss, select Standard Repair. Step 4. Download the iPhone firmware and fix the iPhone system. The repair process may take a few minutes. Step 5. Finally, AnyFix will display the repair completed interface. At the same time, you'll find your iPhone back to normal without data loss. 2. Check ringer and alert settings. Sometimes, the reason your iPhone has no sound could be that you've turned on the mute switch. So, first of all, you should make sure your iPhone isn't in silent mode. Just slide the switch forward and adjust the volume using the volume buttons or the slider in the control center. 3. Turn off Do Not Disturb. When Do Not Disturb is enabled, you'll see a small moon icon in the top right corner of your iPhone status bar, and you won't hear any sounds on your iPhone. Therefore, you need to make sure it's turned off. 4. Disconnect Bluetooth devices. The next thing to do is disconnect any Bluetooth headphones or speakers. This way, you can ensure that your iPhone is the only device for sound output. 5. Check the notifications settings. If you can't hear any sounds from a specific app or some apps, the problem might lie in your notification settings. So, go to Settings and select Notifications. Then, ensure both the Allow Notifications and Sound switches are turned on. 6. Check for system updates. An outdated system can also cause problems on your iPhone. Every iOS system update usually fixes some minor bugs, including sound-related issues. So, you should check system software updates and download the latest iOS version. First, go to Settings and select General. Second, choose Software Update and check for new versions. Third, update iOS now or when you have some free time. 7. Restart your iPhone. To make all these solutions take full effect, let's give your phone a fresh restart. Let's take the iPhone 13 for example. To begin with, press and hold the side button and the volume up or down button until the slide to power off appears. Then, drag the slider to turn off your device. Next, press and hold the side button and the volume up or down button again to turn it on. 8. Reset all settings. If you still need help, resetting all your settings to their defaults is a good idea. Just go to General, then find Transfer or Reset iPhone, and next go ahead and select Reset all settings. 9. Seek Apple's external support. If you've tried all the methods above and still can't hear any sound, the device may need a hardware repair. Or, if the speaker button on the ringer and alert slider is grayed out, your speaker might need servicing. Contact Apple support for iPhone. Above is all the content of the video. Thanks for watching. It is said that those who like it after watching this video will be luckier in 2025. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.